Asang-asa tayo.
Yes, because if this bill will be passed, there is still a room para sa Magna Carta for the barangays. And nakakalungkot at nakaka-disappoint, just like what the other senators manifested that day, na they are very dismayed of what happened dun sa naging resulta ng kanilang BICAM na hindi ito na isumite. So talagang sinabi nilang kanilang damdamin during that time. Pero ang nakakalungkot kasi, why not push it through? Napakahalaga po ng Magna Carta for BHW. I understand na it shouldn't be only the BHWs. But again, this is the first step, sana, para masimulan, para sa iba rin naman na manggagawa ng ating kawani, especially sa mga barangays.
Sa akin naman, Kags, Maria, no? Itong Magna Carta for BHWs, ang tagal ko na narinig na pumapasa to eh. Pero hindi nagiging batas.